Alright, now we're done with the instance, and we'll be installing JRE server in our instance. So what I have done is I have downloaded the JRE server in my local machine, and I'll be uploading that JRE from a local machine to the instance, and we'll log into our instance and then install it from there. Alright, so what you can do is you can use the scp command to transfer your local file to your remote server. So what I can do is I can do scp I and the PIM file and location of the file that I need to be the location of the file that I need to upload. And the IP address. Alright, so this is the scp command. I provide in the PIM file and the location of the file that I need to upload to our server, the username, and the IP address of the server, and colon. This is the destination where the file will be uploaded, so this means the home directory of the Ubuntu user. Right now hit enter and it will start uploading. Yes, so it started to upload. Wait till it finishes. So the upload is finished. Now I'll need to log into our server. Now we're into our server, and let's verify our newly uploaded JRE server file. So this is our file. Now we'll move on to installing the JRE server. So the first thing that I need to do is I need to extract this tar.gz file. Right? Now I'll do this command sudo tar xvzf and the file name. Now hit enter. Now verify the extracted file. Alright, so JDK 1.8.0, this is the file that we just extracted. Right? Now we don't need the the compressed version, so I'll remove it and make it clean. Alright. Now I'll move the extracted file to another directory. Just follow along. Type in sudo mv. This is the file that I need to move. I'm moving it to JDK 8. So this is going to be the new directory where this folder or this directory is going to be moved in this directory. Alright, now hit enter, and if we switch our current directory to and do ls command, we can see this is what we moved from our home directory to /opt directory. Right, now what we need to do is we need to set some path variables for JDK. Alright, now now we'll be using nano command to edit a file which has all the environment variables in it, right? So let's do this. Sudo nano etc environment and hit enter. So this is the file where we can specify the path variables. Alright, so this is the line that you'll see in your environment file. We need to give in the bin directory of our JDK. So I'll type in colon JDK8 bin. So this is how the system is going to know about JDK. And we also need to set in Java home directory. Java home. And let's set another for JRE home. Enter JRE home. So these are the the paths that you can find in our newly extracted JRE server folder. Alright, so now once you are done with setting up JDK bin directory and Java home and JRE home, you're done. You need to hit in Control O to save what you just edited. Hit enter. Get out of this nano file editor. Control X. And now in order to write those variables, you need to use the source command. So alright, so once you're done with editing environment file, it is not going to show off the changes. Alright, so what you need to do is you need to execute this command source. So this is going to update the file. Hit enter. Now once we're done with setting up the path in environment file, you can check if the Java has been installed or not. You can do this by executing this command, Java version. Alright, so now it's showing up. This is the JDK version, JRE version that we installed. Alright, so we're done with JRE server setting up.